Rob Anderson Clean Power Wash. I am standing next to a tree on the ground that was up on the roof. Look at this thing. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Look at the size of the roof structure. I mean, this not quite a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, but pretty stinking close. It's unreal. A little over 6 feet tall for that tree that was on top of this roof. We got them cleaned off, rinsed out in the area. Now we're going to do a soft wash on here. Something again we made sure to, and we got this whole roof over here was all covered up with debris. So just getting it all cleaned off and then inspecting for damage. This was a situation where people are buying the house. Just a massive amount of stuff on there, had not been maintained on the outside, and apparently not some other issues on the inside, but made it very clear not responsible for any damage underneath there. We hand removed the debris and then washed the stuff off, the remaining dirt and debris off of it. We've taken pictures, we're sending those to the customer, that way they can see the condition of the shingles. And then once it's all clean, we'll get a roofer up there to just double check everything. Now that the actual debris isn't on there, the water should be able to come down the roof a lot faster and not have time to just sit there and soak in where it had all that debris. And also, notice this house had gutter helmets, so that's probably why they thought they were okay to not need to have them cleaned. But all the debris that built up on there definitely causes issues. So have a great day. See ya.